am Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am here at the American Bakers Association Annual Convention in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I'm catching up with my friend, Bill Quigg, President of Richmond Baking and More Than a Bakery, and the incoming ABA Chair. Hi, Bill. Thank you so much for catching up with me today.
Of course, Joanie. It's great talking to you.
So let's take a walk and chat about what's going on at ABA.
Great.
You are coming in to your leadership position at a pivotal time for the association because the strategic plan just launched.
Yes.
What are you envisioning for your 2 years of leadership based on ABA's strategic plan?
So I think all things happen for a reason and timing happens for a reason. And I think Cordia being in her role during our pivotal transition to have Eric's leadership come on board was meant to be. I think that my personal abilities and skills really fit well with our incoming strategic plan, particularly in the areas of trying to make the industry stronger through collaboration. I'm a natural collaborator. That's sort of my, that's in my DNA, having background with the BNCMA, CASBA, other organizations. It just makes sense to me to bring people together. So that's kind of my area that I think I can provide the best benefit.
You're totally reading my mind because I was literally going to ask you, you are a natural collaborator.
Yeah.
So I don't need, you just answered my question for me. How are you going to use that natural, collaborative, really family kind of focus to bring about even more change as the industry is sort of in the middle of an evolution?
And we've had so many challenges over the last, say, 5 years, whether that's checkoff program or whether that's, the pandemic, all these other things that we've had to deal with. I think it's time for our industry to come back together in a really strong way. And I think my unique situation is that I just have so many dozens of contacts all throughout the industry that can really come together because I have so many friendships and I have so many people that I truly care about and I want them to be successful. Once they're successful, once their associations are successful, then I think the industry becomes stronger.
I could not agree with you more. And Bill, I know you've got a lot to do at convention as you prepare to take the gavel. So I am going to let you get back to your good work for the association and the industry. But thank you so much for catching up with me. This was awesome.
Thank you, Joanie. It's been a pleasure.